Welcome to the Port of Kingston Marina, a convenient stop on the Kitsap Peninsula that can accommodate boats up to 80 feet. If you're just visiting for a short while, you could tie up for up to 4 hours, with fees ranging from $10 to $15. Overnight guest moorage is available as well. While the marina does monitor VHF Channel 65A, the nearby state ferries can cause interference, so calling by phone is generally the best way to get in touch. You'll find that and a link to the port's website in the description for this video, where you can book moorage online as well. The marina offers Wi-Fi, power and water hookups, laundry, showers, and restrooms. The fuel dock on site also has a pump-out station. Once you arrive, you are just steps away from the shops and restaurants of downtown Kingston, as well as a beautiful waterfront park. The marina itself has picnic areas and 2 covered gazebos. Watch the related video to see an on-the-water approach to the Port of Kingston. Thank you, and please hit the subscribe button to see more content like this.